In this video, we will teach you how to install the top rail on a chain link fence. Subscribe to the channel for more fence tutorials and enjoy this video.
We have all the fittings on, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to put our top rail on. To secure the top rail to the end post, we're going to use a rail end cup like this. And to secure it on top of the line post, we're going to use these loop caps. Now, like the tension band, you're going to notice the loop cap has a bend in it like this, all right? The loop cap, the bent end is going to sit over the side that has the wire, because you see, if you look at this bent part, it's going to be in line with the post, like that. This side is in line with the cap. So if you do this side on the side where the wire is, when you tie the wire, if you look at the wire, it's going to look like it bends in a little bit by every cup, and it's going to look weird. Most people wouldn't notice it, but anybody watching this who knows anything is going to say, Dennis, you put those cups on the wrong way. So we're not going to do that. We're going to put them on the right way. Okay? So you're going to hold that, and he's going to get a nut and bolt. You have nuts and bolts?
Yes, sir.
All right, and you got the drill ready?
Ready.
Okay. Now, I told you with the top rail, one part is swedged and the other part is not. I want the non-swedged part to start in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this around like so, and make this easy. I'm going to put these on now. I'm going to just slide this on, 1, 2, and then we're going to walk this over. Jose is going to grab one side, and we're going to just walk this over. It's really not that heavy. We don't need 3 people, but why not? Now, let go. We're just going to sit this on top of the here, and he's going to sit that on top of there. Now, he's going to attach it to the post on the end. He's going to make sure it goes on level. He's going to put a level on top, pick up that bottom brace band, and attach it in there. And notice which way he puts the nut and bolt. You want the nut not on the side of the wire. You want to slip it in from the wire side out so that that nut doesn't get caught up in the wire. I'm going to hold that so it doesn't fall. You're good, just finish it off. Now we're going to put another piece of top rail on. Okay, Juanito put the caps on, and look, he put them on the right way. Excellent. We're going to walk this over. And watch how easy this goes together. We're going to sit it on top of here, and now watch how those 2 sides connect. Oh, beautiful. And you want to make sure when you connect it that you don't pull it out of the cup on the end. So before we do the last piece, we just walk back over here and make sure it didn't come out of the cup. Nope, it is perfect. Now, we have to cut a piece for the end, all right? So, easy way of doing it. I know the measurement for the brace band and the railing cup sits 1.5 inches off of the post. From the post to the railing cup is 1.5 inches. So I don't have to carry something over and try to mark it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure from the terminal post to the edge of the top rail, and then whatever that measurement is, I'm going to deduct 1.5 inches. Jose's going to cut it, and it's going to fit like a glove. Let's go. We're going to measure to the swedge. So we have here 238 inches minus 1/2 is 236.5. So can you please cut us a piece? 236.5, not from the swedged end, from the opposite end. Boom. Yes, like this. Jose is going to grab another railing cup and a nut and a bolt. I'll just slide that on there. Up. Railing cup. Okay, now this is where we got to think a little bit. We have a piece of top rail coming this way and a piece of top rail coming this way. How do we make sure this one and this one are going to be level? If we put both railing cups facing up, then they're not going to line up. So what we're going to do is the top one we're going to face going down. The bottom one is going to face up, and the two pieces of top rail are going to line up opposite. The top one is going to angle down, the bottom one is going to angle up. Okay, so let's put the top one in first. And again, he's going to level this off.
Hold this for me, Pop.
Right there, and go. All right. Okay, so now we're going to put this one angled up. And okay, now tape measure. We're going to measure between these two posts. Okay, we got 30 inches. We're going to cut a 27-inch piece. We're taking 1.5 inches off for each side. The distance between here is 30 inches minus 3 inches, 27 inches. He will go cut us a piece. No swedge though, we don't need a swedge. Here. And who's got that level? He's got the level. Who's got the level? Right about there. Good. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the other side now, and I'm going to bring it this way. Do you want to speed this part up? Okay. 129.5.
For more chain link fence instruction, check out the related content on your screen. Also, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. We release 2 new videos every week and you don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, everybody.